I just finished this adorable vintage circa 1950s sub-miniature travel alarm clock, and this is mechanical. So it fits in this nice, and it's the original leather pouch. You pull that off, and then inside, I think this piece is really pretty, is a little sub-miniature travel alarm clock with seconds, and then it folds out, and then it would sit on your table or desk as such. Really wonderful, wonderful condition, especially considering its age. So I already have it wound. I'm going to advance the time so you can hear the alarm work, and it's a loud alarm. And again, this is mechanical. It's not a cheap quartz watch. So the right crown, I already have the alarm wound, and you pull it out, and then that will allow the alarm to go off. I'm going to advance the time. Will definitely wake you up. So in summary, a vintage 1950s mechanical travel alarm clock with seconds hand in an adorable leather pouch. Again, it folds up, and it's really small. Take care.